Good morning students. So in the previous class we were discussing the lesson number 6, that is clothes we wear, and in this lesson we have studied that different clothes we wear different clothes for the different seasons, and also we studied that we wear cotton clothes in the summer season because as they are very lightweight, and we wear woolen clothes in the winter season because they keep our body warm, and we wear raincoat in the monsoon or rainy season because as they protect our body from getting wet. And next we wear silk clothes on the special occasions like weddings and festivals. Okay, after that we have studied that what are the clothes made up of. Different kinds of clothes are made up of from different kinds of fibers. Like cotton clothes are made from cotton plant, and then silk clothes are made from the silkworm. Silkworm is an insect. Okay, and next leather clothes are made from the dead skin of the dead animals. Okay, and next the woolen clothes are made up from the hair of the sheep. Okay, so next we have studied that the uniforms, we wear uniforms on the special places like work office or school. So children wear uniforms while going to school, and the adult human wear the uniforms while going to office. Okay, next we have studied about the costumes here. Yes, what are the costumes? The special clothes that we wear for special purposes are known as clothes. So we wear these costumes on the for the very special purposes only. For example, we wear a swimming costume while going for swimming. Okay, so, and I told you that in different areas in our India, in different areas we wear different kinds of clothes. Across the countries, across the countries people wear different kinds of clothes according to their countries. Okay, so this in the previous class only this lesson was finished, and today we are going to discuss some of the question and answers of this lesson. Okay, I will tell you the answers. Just put the right mark or write the answer in your textbook first. After that you just copy everything in your notebook. So now open the page number 125 and take a pencil in your hand to write the answers there. See here, you can see. First of all, multiple choice questions are there. Next, fill in the blanks and state the following as true or false is there. I will tell you the answer. I will write the answers on the board. Just copy it in your first textbook. So after that, copy this in your notebook as well. Okay. So what is the first question? Multiple choice questions. First question is the weaver weaves cotton thread into cotton clothes on his dash. A. Loom, B. Bed, C. Chair. So the correct answer is loom. Correct answer is loom. Okay. So you can put the right mark like this for the correct answer. Okay. So the weaver weaves cotton thread into cotton clothes on his loom. Loom is a kind of machine which run on the electricity or by hand also. Okay. So the second question is, we get dash from silkworms. What we get from the silkworm? Silkworm is an insect. So what we get from the silkworm? A. Cotton, B. Silk, C. Wool. The correct answer is B. Silk. Yes, we can get silk from the silkworm. Okay, and how we are getting cotton? We are getting from the cotton from the cotton plant. It is a plant, and we are getting wool from the sheep. Okay, the hair of the sheep we are getting wool. Okay, now the third question is, clothes made from wool keep us dash. A. Warm, B. Cool, C. Dry. So clothes made from the wool keep our body warm. So the answer is warm. Okay, so these are the multiple choice questions. The weavers weaves cotton thread into the cotton clothes on his loom. Next, we get silk from the silkworms. Cloths made from the wool keep us warm. These are the correct answers. After this, fill in the blanks are there. So in the boxes they have given the correct answers. What you have to do is choose the correct answer from the given boxes and write downside. Okay. So the first question is woolen clothes are made from the dash of sheep. The woolen clothes are made from the dash of sheep. The answer is hair. Hair of the sheep. Okay. So the woolen clothes are made from the hair of the sheep. The second one is special clothes worn at work are called as, is what we call the special clothes that we wear on the workplace. We call them uniforms. We call them uniforms. ಅಂದರೆ ವರ್ಕ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗುವಂಥ ಅರ್ಬಿಗೆ ನಾವೇನಂತೀವಿ ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. Now the third one, people in different parts of the world wear different clothes. Yes, across the India or across the world, all people wear different types of clothes according to their religion. Okay. The fourth one is we wear cotton clothes in dash. Yes, when we wear cotton clothes in summer. In summer. Why we wear cotton clothes in the summer season only? Because as they are very lightweight and also they absorb the sweat from the body, and that's because we wear the cotton clothes in the summer season. Now the last and the fifth one is silk comes from a dash cotton. Silk comes from a silkworms. From the silkworm. Silkworm is an insect by which we are getting silkworm. Okay, silk. So this is the fill in the blanks. These are the correct answers. Now next one, state the following as true or false. So if the answer is true, you have to write the true. If it is false, write false. What is the first question? We wear woolen clothes in summer. Is it true or false? It is false. Why it is false? Because we wear woolen clothes in the winter season, not in the summer season. So it is false. Okay. Second one is children wear uniform to school. Children wear uniform to school. Yes, it is true. Third one is we wear clothes just to look nice. No, it is false. We wear clothes not only to just look nice, but also to protect our body from the harmful weather. Okay. So the first one is false, second one is true, third one is false. Okay. Now after this, name the following people according to their clothes. You have to name these people according to their clothes. By seeing their clothes, you can recognize that what name of those people. So you can observe the first picture properly and you can see who is that. He is a policeman. Write it here. See, downside of those pictures they have given boxes to write the correct answer. So write it. Okay. First one is policeman. Second picture, see what he is. He is a joker. Yes. Who is the joker? What he does? He entertains us. Okay. He entertains us in the circus. Okay. So he is a joker. Third picture, she is a nurse. She is a nurse. Where you can see the nurse in the hospitals. Who is the nurse? Nurse is the woman who take care of the patients. Okay. Next, the third one, last one is he is a pilot. Okay. So write all those answers in the given boxes. See here, I will write. So the first one is, who is that? Policeman. Policeman. And who is the second one? Who is the joker? Third one is, she is a nurse. And the last one is, he is a pilot. Okay, so these are the correct answers. After this, answer the following questions are there. Okay, write down the headline in your notebook that answer the following questions and write down the first question. I will write the answers on the board. Okay, so what is the first question? Why do we wear clothes? Why do we wear clothes? See here. Why do we wear clothes? We wear clothes to protect our body as well to look nice. Write down first one. We wear clothes to protect our body and also to look nice. The first one. Okay. Now the second question is, so why do we wear clothes? We wear clothes to protect our body from the harmful weather as well as to look nice. Okay. So we wear clothes. Now the second one is, name the different types of clothes. Name the different types of clothes. Totally there are 4 types of clothes. Write down. So name the different types of clothes. In the second one like this. First one is cotton clothes. Cotton clothes. Second one is silk clothes. Third one is what is that? Woolen clothes. Woolen clothes. And fourth one is, and the last one is rain. That is raincoats. Okay, so these are the types of clothes. Totally there are 4 types of clothes. Okay, those are the cotton clothes, silk clothes, woolen clothes, raincoats. I will explain here one more time. Listen. When do we wear cotton clothes? We wear cotton clothes in the summer season. We wear silk clothes on the special occasions. We wear woolen clothes in the winter season, and we wear raincoats in the monsoon or rainy season. So the third question is, what are costumes? You have to write the definition of costume. So the special clothes that we wear, the special clothes that we wear for special purposes. For special purposes. Called costume. The definition. Okay. And the next one is, what are uniforms? What are those? What are uniforms? Write down. The definition you should write. Okay. So special kind of clothes. Special kind of clothes. Clothes worn by people when they go to work. Or by children at school. Or by children at school, called uniforms. Okay. So these are the some questions with their answers. Okay. And now the last one is, name a few things that protect you from the rain. So write the few things that protects you from the rain. ಅಂದರೆ ಮಳೆಯೊಳಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ಕೊಲಾರ್ದೆ ಇರಾಕ ನೀವು ಏನೇನು ಹಾಕೋತೀರಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ 4 ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಬರೆಯಂದಾರ. Write down the fifth one. So that is the raincoat. Yes, you can wear raincoat and gumboots. You can wear raincoat and gumboots as well to protect yourself from the rain. Okay, so these are the 5 questions with their answers. Just write it in your notebook with neatly. And what else you have to do is see, it is for your homework. Read it. What is there? Riya is going on a holiday to Shimla. Help her pack clothes for the trip. Circle the clothes that she should carry. See, Riya is the girl who is going to Shimla. So she is going to Shimla in the sense, what is the climatic condition in the Shimla? It is extremely cold. The climatic condition of the Shimla is extremely cold. So which kind of clothes you wear in the winter or in the very cold places? You wear sweater. They have given some of the clothes here. So you have to circle the cloth that she should carry with her. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಯಾವ ಆಕಿ ಶಿಮ್ಲಾಗೆ ಹೊಂಟಾಳ, ಇದರೊಳಗೆ ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಹಾಕಿ ತನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಶಿಮ್ಲಾಕ್ಕೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಶಿ ಶುಡ್ ವಿಯರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮಫ್ಲರ್. ಎಸ್, circle it. She should carry a sweater. Circle it. Then she should wear this jacket as well. Yes, circle it. And no need to wear this, no need to carry this because it is a very thin. Okay, so yes, this cap she should carry with her. So see what are the things are there that she should carry with her to the Shimla. Okay, just circle it. And one more thing that you have to do is, this is activity zone. A box is there big. What you have to do is, in the crossword below, find out the names of the different types of clothes. ಈ ಬಾಕ್ಸಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಕ್ಲೋತ್ಸ್ ಹೈಡ್ ಆಗ್ಯಾವ, ಅದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲಲ್ಲೇ ಸ್ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಡೂ ದಿಸ್ ಇನ್ ಯೋರ್ ಹೋಮ್. And tomorrow we will start our new lesson, that is lesson number 7. What is that? House we build. Okay, so we will discuss this lesson in the tomorrow's class.